This is Ian's 1980 Trans Am. Take you a walk around. Just got it a couple days ago. One stereo, 500 watt stereo. We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound and like a man in run. If you put all on the gun, some never mind your brakes. Let it all hang out cause we got a run to make. Underside good. Got a radical cam you can hear. Eastbound and down, loading up and trucking. We gonna do what they say can't be done. We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm eastbound just like a man that runs. Kind of the side view of it here. Yeah, we gotta get the decals for it. Got Mastercraft racing tires all the way around it. Got a 350 engine with Alden Brooks heat drive shaft. It's got manifold headers, B&M torque converter. It's got a B&M shift kit. Cranking about 400 horse. It's got brand new disc brakes all the way around on it. Sharp car. Go ahead and shut the lid so you can see what it looks like. There's what it looks like. Try to get a full view here.
T-tops.
It's got the T-tops. There she is.